This is Uharbour 1 to 15 Nm torque wrench set for bicycle. There are 16 pieces in this set. This set is very convenient to use. First, pre-tighten the screws, bolts with a screwdriver, and then tighten them to the specified torque with a torque wrench. There are 3 steps to adjust the torque. 1. Slide down to unlock. 2. Turn the handle to adjust torque. 3. Release the lock ring to lock. It's set up here for 7 Nm. Press this button to install the bit. When the set torque value is reached, you will hear a click sound and feel slippage, which ensures that your components are safe from over-torquing.